The Foundation Series Cybertruck package includes a light bar with the top-of-the-line Cyberbeast trim. It appears that Tesla finally started installing it on customer vehicles. However, the light bar is not road legal. Instead of a turnkey solution, Tesla will only take care of the physical installation of the light bar. However, it will not connect it to the Cybertruck electrical system. Tesla, by law, cannot install the light bar electronics and configure the vehicle for light bar control. Tesla prohibits its employees from connecting or assisting with the connection of the Cybertruck off-road light bar harness to the roof accessory jumper harness. Tesla instructed its service center personnel to install a blackout tape on the light bars before delivery to comply with the law. That's because the light bar is designed only for off-road use. The light bar can light the road ahead for up to 525 yards.